Hey guys, so today we'll be doing the honk prank, like a honk. Like if they say like honk if you're happy, honk if you want good luck, like honk thing. And this is my first time doing the honk thing on my parents. I might do a video later when they like go in the car. Halfway I have to go to do it with my dad because he like crazy. But I might do it with my mom. If my mom going to do it, drive, I'm going to do it with my mom. And don't mind my hair, so let's just get started, guys. So, what you will need is, I got, oh wait, I got a marker. You can use a pencil, a pen, whatever thing, or a marker thing. You will need some tape or glue. Well, people be doing it with type. I don't know if you can do it with glue, so it might stick on your thing, and when you try to take it out, some of the thing, like the paper or whatever thing, is gonna go in it. So I use tape because I can just tape it. So I got tape, whatever tape, black, white, gray, where there's no white. I don't know, gray, whatever color. But this girl is stepping on the thing, and I got this. There's some star. You don't have to use some star, but like, you know, what this girl is doing. And I got also, and I got the how you say this thing. And guys, if my mom going in the, I might do it. I might don't do it like in camera, but I might doing camera. So if my dad if my mom going like in the car drive, I'm actually can I go fucking prank her, and I might do a video if I might do the video. So let's just get started. So it's gonna be like later because right now my mom's sleeping, but because I don't want to do it like when my mom wake up, because sometimes you go in the room or whatever, go to sometimes go around the house, or if I do outside, she might go outside because like in the yard, bruh, she might come back. Entra afuera. Okay, no talking, no talking, no talking. Guys, so she sometimes go in the yard for she can get air, because she go outside where the door at, like it's hot. So that's where the sun is. So let's just get started. I'll keep talking too much. I need like a folder or something. Okay, shh. I told you go outside or go in, and you went in. So shh. I'll cover myself right here. Okay, I'm going to be doing the honk if you're happy. Cause when you go on YouTube and you put honk prank, like honk, the honk prank, and they sometimes, all the people be saying honk if you're happy. And there's like a lot of honks. So I'm gonna try that today. And I will be doing more. So I'm going to put honk. Wait. Okay. I already know. Well guys, I'm going to get my tablet for if I can see like some pranks. So this used to be my older one. This one's cheapy. So bruh. Guys, I don't need this thing. Okay, let's go just get started. Don't turn off. So we're about to go. Wait.
What?
Okay. So let's use these 30. I was just seeing some paint. So let's start. This is like a big thing, so I'm gonna draw it big. You also. What the hell? Oh wait, I got marker in there. I got marker outside. Like I just messed it up. I'll come back, guys. I need a marker because this one don't work. So I'll come back. Entra afuera. Entro fuera. Okay, you can out. Okay. Guys, so I forgot I had these markers. I got these things, but I don't need this because it's not going to erase. I got I used to have the black one. I like a lot of black. I got two blue, one red and another red. But this one going right high. No, just okay, guys. I'm going to use the. I like red kinda. Let me see, high. This is dirty. It have black on it. Oh my goodness. Okay, the blue is perfect. Okay. What are we going to be drawing? Guys, this takes forever. Okay, so I'm going to be drawing. Okay, honk. This is way too big. I don't care. Honk. Okay, guys, so I'm going to be doing y'all like right first.
Yeah, that's good. Hurry up, Lucas. What? Go to Shaq. I know. Alright, here's the tape. Alright, hurry up. I'm back.
Cause I'm watching Lucas and Marcus. Is
Did you get it on? Yeah, look. It looks good, bro. Yeah, good. I like that. Alright, so listen. This one's gonna go on. You have to put a hidden camera. Pause.
okay, guys. So you're honk if you're honk if you're not for. Let me try this. Nope. Have to. Okay. guys, it's not working. It's not working. It's not working. Guys, I'm sorry. I'm going to have to. Oh no, I just cut it. Cut it. Cut it. Cut it. No, I should run in. I need to cut it. Well, I'm about to. Hey guys, so I got another one. Now I'm about to use the red one. Eyelashes. And then I'm about to cut it, cut it, cut it. How to cut it. Guys, so guys, and then I'm gonna do another one. I'm going to honk if your I already put honk if you're happy. Honk, and I'm also do. Okay, so a lot of people will put a honk on me too. So, okay, I'm about to put honk on me. Honk on me. Honk on me. Honk on me. Okay. Honk at me. Wait, honk at me. Honk at me. Okay, I'm about to do the. Okay, so I'm about to do right here. Okay, so I did honk. Next I'm gonna do like I got like a lot of space, so I'm going to be putting more and more. This is gonna be a good prank. Keep at this car prank on over she flip. Guys, I don't need these top because people be putting out honk honk honk. I'm gonna be putting honk if you got kid. Bro, that looks stupid, but honk if you got kid. Okay, now I'm gonna do I'm gonna do the honk if you got a kid. Honk. Honk if you guess I'll put it. Beat me up, sis. Beat me up. Period, sis. Okay. Next is honk if you're happy. Honk at me. Honk if you got a kid. Okay, now I'm going to be putting honk. Okay, next. Well, close the door. Okay, guys, so I thought that was like my mom or my dad. I was gonna be like, oh my god, this a fail. But my sister already got that was my sister, but she ain't gonna tell me. But let's just start it. But this I don't know no more, so I'm going to check on. Ooh, I'm about to put. This is gonna be a veil. Cause I'm about to next. So in the bottom, I'm gonna put honk if you read this. It says honk if you're reading this. So I'm gonna put it down, and they're gonna have to read all this. So, this gonna probably be like a long time. They better read all this and then put honk if you're reading in this. Okay, heart. Okay, guys. Okay, first I'm gonna read the bottom one because this bottom one is like the thing for all of this. So it says the bottom Sam. Honk if you're reading this. Okay, honk if you're reading this. Honk if you're happy. Honk at me. Honk if you got a kid. Yeah. Wait, honk if you got a kid. And then the bottom said honk if you are reading this. Wait, I got one more. I got one more right here. Honk if you're hot. Okay, I'm gonna put honk if you're. So right here I'm gonna put that. Okay, next I'm gonna put honk. No. Honk if you got a kid. Honk at me. Honk at me. Okay, honk if this your best day. About to go. Okay, let's just start. I don't know where I'm going to put. Okay, guys. So, somebody.
Why you keep knocking my dog outside?
Huh?
Stop trying to leave my dog.
He said, Kisari, I'm going to press box my mom. I'm going to put honk it.
Why are you recording me?
Girl, you're the one that right there.
Because I'm gonna get clothes and I'm gonna get dressed when I get out of the shower. So you gonna record me naked too?
Wait a second, I'm about to take pictures. Why are you looking at me?
Why are you using my box?
Don't try to follow me.
Why are you using my box?
Girl.
Boy. Who you meant to? Nothing.
This gonna be a good prank.
Oh, my baby, so cute. Oh, you stink. My big baby. My little baby. You're so big.
No, she gonna be baby. Okay, let's
You're
just
so big and stinky. You're so big and stinky.
okay.
Why are you so stinky?
I'm gonna put this somewhere. Go just
You're
start
so
it.
big and
Then
stinky.
let's show
Stinky.
like
Mommy,
the
stinky.
video.